students. Today we are discuss about the topic laws of motion. First of all, physics. What do you mean physics? The word physics is derived from the Greek word physis. Physis meaning nature. Physis meaning nature. The study of nature and natural phenomena is dealt within physics. Hence, physics is considered as the most basic of all science branches of physics. The branches, the physics are classified into two categories. First one, classical and then modern. Classical physics consider mechanics, thermodynamics, optics, electricity and magnetism, astrophysics and relativity. Modern physics classified into quantum, atomic, nuclear, molecular, condensed matter. Now we have studied classical physics. The classical physics and mechanics. The mechanics are classified into two categories. One statics and then dynamics. What do you mean statics? The statics means the object in rest position. It deals with the bodies which are rest under the action of forces. Dynamics. What do you mean dynamics? It is the body of moving bodies under the action of forces. Dynamics is further divided as follows. The dynamics classified into two categories. First one, dynamics, kinematics and then kinetics. Kinematics. What do you mean kinematics? It deals with the motion of bodies without considering the cause of motion. Kinematics deals with the movement of bodies without considering cause of motion. Kinetics. What do you mean kinetics? Kinetic means it deals with the motion of bodies considering the cause of motion. The first introduction, the force and motion. First, what do you mean force? And according to the Greek philosopher and scientist Aristotle, the natural state of earthly body rest. State of earthly bodies is rest. There are two types of classified into two type of motion. First one, natural motion and then violent motion. What do you mean natural motion? The natural motion means the body naturally come to rest without any external influence of force. There is no applying for any external force. The object come to rest position, that's called natural motion. Here the force independent. Okay, next he also proposed that the force is needed to make the bodies move from the natural state of rest or the own natural state are called violent motion. The violent motion depends on force. Violent motion can need for force. Can external force applying the object moving with rest position or any other movement. That's called violent motion. Okay, next here, introducing from inertia. What do you mean inertia? The inertia. What do you mean inertia? The inertia. What do you mean inertia? The property of body to change at any rest of motion, the state of uniform motion, unless it's influenced by an external unbalanced force is known as inertia. What do you mean inertia? The object from the object in the body of rest of any changes are the state of rest position or the state of uniform motion without unless uniform motion unless it is influenced upon by an external unbalanced force is known as inertia. The types of inertia. What do you mean type of inertia? Inertia is the inability of the object to not change the position with respect to the any other force. Types of inertia. First one, inertia of rest. First one, inertia of rest. What do you mean inertia of rest? The resistance of a body to change its state of rest is called inertia of rest. The resistance of a body to change its state of rest, it's called inertia of rest. Second one, inertia of motion. What do you mean inertia of motion? The inertia of motion, the resistance of a body to change its state of motion is called inertia of motion. Third one, inertia of direction. The inertia of direction, the resistance of a body to change up its direction of motion is called inertia of direction. The inertia is the inability of an object to not change the position without itself. Okay, there are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. First one, inertia of rest. The resistance of your body to change its state of rest is called inertia of rest. Example, an athlete runs some distance before jumping because this will help him jump longer and higher. Let us consider the inertia of motion. Okay, next, inertia of rest explanation. When you see the branches of tree, okay, next some other leaves or fruits are detached and they fall down. Here, come to further, the object come to in rest position. That's called inertia rest. Third one, inertia direction. What do you mean inertia of direction? The resistance of your body to change its direction of motion is called inertia of direction. If some example, when you make a sharp turning or turn while driving a car, you tend to lean sideways. This is called the particles moving in sideways. That's called inertia of direction. Okay, next, another example. When you make a sharp turn while driving a car, you tend to lean sideways. That's called example of inertia. Okay, next one, Newton laws of motion. Newton's law of motion. Newton first law, Newton second law, Newton third law. First, Newton first law. Newton first law, this law states that every body continues to be in state of rest position or the state of uniform motion along a straight line unless it is acted upon by external some other external force applying the object. This is called Newton first law. Newton first law, any other object, every body continues to be rest position or uniform motion along a straight line. Along a straight line unless is acted